Another important aspect, I think, for students working online, and there are advantages and disadvantages to using this technique, but collaborative learning certainly does have its benefits. Sometimes it is difficult to get all the students working together. Sometimes if they're behind a bit, it's difficult for them to join in a group project. But we do find that it's very helpful for students to talk together about a math concept and help each other out. And for example, in one of our courses called Math for the Inquiring Mind, which is a course in which students learn techniques and methodologies for problem solving with mathematics. We have a team project in which they're given a budget for a family and told that the family needs to reduce that budget by $500. And they as a team need to figure out how to reduce that budget, and so they use the spreadsheet and they discussions to figure out what are some strategies for reaching that goal. And it's a way for students to share spreadsheet techniques as well as to talk about different problem-solving strategies and assumptions, and helps them, again, think through the mathematics.
When we talk about social presence, there's also a tremendous amount of opportunity to integrate new social networking tools into online courses. And one of the things that we see good instructors doing is to go beyond these basic learning management systems to integrate Web 2.0 technologies into their classrooms. So you see good instructors using these Web 2.0 technologies to help students to continue to develop a sense of social presence, and at the same time to encourage learning. So you may see instructors using blogs or wikis or newer technologies like Twitter to have students be able to connect with each other, to collaborate with each other, to reflect on their own learning, to share what they're learning with their classmates. So there's just a tremendous amount of opportunity to use some of these new technologies to establish social presence and to exploit the affordances of these new technologies to encourage learning.